we are having company for 4th of July this year and serving one of our favorite girl recipes. And so I thought I would share it with you today. I had actually bought the cilantro a week ago for another recipe and didn't end up making it. So when I realized it was going to go bad, I decided to go ahead and make this marinade because it can freeze. I put it in the fridge for no more than like 4 or 5 days. If I'm going to need it longer than that, I pop it in the freezer. And I pop it in the freezer in a jar or over the meat. It is an absolutely delicious fajita recipe. We serve them on skewer sticks, but you can absolutely just use it. You don't need to thread it if you don't want to. We do it both ways. So I'm going to, before I do that, the original recipe is for chicken, but we have served it over meat, over beef, and pork. We are not really a fish family or shellfish, but if you have a recipe or you have a meat, shellfish, fish, whatever you think that would work well with it, go for it. So here's what you're going to need, plus your meat, about 2 or 2.5 pounds of it. But like I said, I am just making the marinade today. Then I'll freeze it. So you need limes, fresh limes, or bottled lime juice, either one. Red pepper flakes, cumin, salt, something to freeze it in if you're gonna make it ahead, oil, cilantro, brown sugar. I am using light brown sugar, but the recipe does call for dark brown sugar. Onion and bell peppers. Since I am freezing this and not making it right now, I am not actually going to use this. I just wanted to have it so I can be sure to remind you not leave so I don't leave that ingredient out. You'll also need garlic, and then if you want them, skewers. This is the jar I'm using. It's a mason jar, but it's the straight neck means that it's safe for freezing. So just about 2 cups in here. And then I have these lids, if you're wondering what they are. It's just these, they're plastic ones that, as my metal ones rust up, I'm replacing mine slowly. But I will freeze this, and I've frozen this for a couple of months, and it's gone well. It's a great way to use up cilantro when you harvest it out of the garden. And I usually just freeze it like this instead of over meat. I just find it more convenient that way. Since I don't care for the texture of these things when they are frozen and then grilled, I just make sure that I put them on my grocery list when we're actually going to have them. I also like to have poblano peppers, but my grocery store's been out of poblano peppers for like 3 weeks now, I think. So hopefully by the time we have these for 4th of July, they'll have some back in stock. Don't forget to soak your skewer sticks in water so that they don't burn as easily, at least 30 minutes before it's time to cook them. And that's my cilantro-lime fajita marinade. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.